you all doing? I hope you all are fine. So during the lockdown, everyone uses hands-free or earphones excessively, including my friends. And I guess you guys are also wearing earphone right now. So my friend accidentally broke his earphone. And you guys can imagine life without earphones. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to repair these earphones and hopefully we'll discuss some of its circuitry. So let's get started, as I'm also feeling lonely in the house. Lockdown is so severe. So after reverse engineering the earphones, I came up with a simple circuit design, in which I have shown the audio jack, which has 4 connections. The first one is for the right speaker, the second one for the left speaker, third one for the ground connection, and the last one for the mic. So the simplest possible way to connect these things is to directly connect the speaker in parallel with the speaker pin and the ground, and the mic should be connected in parallel with the mic and the ground pin, with the push button in parallel with the mic. In some of the expensive earphones, they have a filter circuit installed for the mic, which I've shown here with a capacitor symbol with a dotted connection, and some of the earphones come with the functionality of volume control, which includes a two-way potentiometer installed in series with these speakers. And please don't worry for the documents. I upload every document of mine on my Facebook page, and its link is in the description below. So with a brief introduction to the hands-free circuitry, we can continue with the repairing process. And please, instead of making memes, I am making this much informative videos for you guys. For this, at least I deserve a like. And a share, or at least I deserve an appreciation. So as you can see here, that in this situation we have only the speakers disconnected, which according to the circuit diagram needs only 3 wires to be connected, in which one of the wire is common. And I don't know if you are able to see this or not, but there are actually 6 wires coming out, 3 from this speaker and 3 from this speaker. You may be able to see the blue, red and the golden wires, which are a set of 2 wires. So let's dig deeper into the speakers to see which wires are utilized. For this purpose, we need to open the speakers first. So here you can see the red wire is not utilized, and just the golden and the blue wires are connected to the speaker. So according to the circuit diagram, I need to take common from any of the 2 wires. I mean from the blue and the golden wires. I'll take the golden wire as the common, and you may take any one of them. So after closing both of the speakers, I'm going to make the golden wire as common. So we will left only with 3 connections: the common, the left speaker and the right speaker connection. Let's now open the PCB to see where all the connection goes. So with a bit of force, I was able to open the PCB portion. So here it is clear that I need to solder those 3 wires over here. For the right hands free, you may see the letter R written on the PCB, and for the left, letter L is written, and the middle one is the ground. So let's now carefully solder everything in place. So you can see here I made the solder joints, and instead of taking the golden wire as a common, I connected the blue wire to the ground, because the blue wire from the right speaker was not long enough, and as speakers don't have any polarity, so you can connect them any way around. And after testing this successfully on my phone, I'm going to close its structure. So after successfully testing and repairing the hands-free, my friend can enjoy his leisure even in this lockdown situation. And now I only seek some words of appreciation from my friend, because he's so stingy and every time I repair this for him. So this time luckily I thought why not to share some of this information with you guys, because there is no chance of getting paid for this repairment work. I wanted to show you its performance after repairment, but unfortunately my phone cannot support audio while it is recording. I hope you have learned something new for this video. Please smash hard that like button and just destroy the subscribe button. Just destroy, just do it. And until next time, bye.